Hello there! At some point, you may find yourself needing to connect shapes that are on different layers. In this example, we're using 3 layers. And you'll see that we're clicking on each layer and using the shortcut Alt, Shift, plus the right arrow key to quickly add 2 more shapes to each layer. Starting with the squares layer, we'll click and drag a connector to the circles layer, then from the circles layer to the diamonds layer, and from the diamonds layer to the squares layer. If you use the Hide checkbox, you will see that the connectors that link from one layer to the others are also hidden. And that's it.